Hello guys, today I am here to tell you about new module that is import manufacturing order. So for that you can see here import manufacturing order menu. So click on import manufacturing order menu. So the wizard for import manufacturing order. So fill all the information of wizard. So first is import product by name, code or barcode. So select name. Here file option is CSV or XLS. So select XLS. Here upload your file. So select XLS file. So here upload XLS file. Here sequence option. So first use XLS and CSV sequence number. So now user can download sample file for import manufacturing order. So click on download sample file button and download it. So fill all the information of wizard. So now click on import for import manufacturing order. So click on import. If data is successfully imported, so message manufacturing orders are successfully imported. If data of file is already imported, then display message manufacturing orders are already imported like this. So here select XLS, use XLS or CSV sequence and upload same file here. So click on import button. Here message is manufacturing orders already imported. So now show all manufacturing orders. Go to the operations and click on manufacturing order. You can see here this is all imported manufacturing order. First 1.0, second is 2.0, and third is 3.0, and last is 4.0. So our manufacturing order is successfully imported. This is all about manufacturing order. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you can enjoy this video, then subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video.